What up, guys? Got another care package from Red today, so we're gonna get straight into that, and I'm gonna show you what we got. Appreciate Red for always sending me a care package, supporting the cause, and most importantly, letting you guys know about what they got coming out. I'm gonna get straight into it. We got a silky satin bonnet, wide edge bonnet. Comes in 2 different colors, but you can check that out. We got a turban, satin lined hollow turban. I like that color. Compressed rag, pretty good for working out. Good for the women too, if you like that. And we got a Power Wave velvet do-rag. It's blue, my favorite color. And then got some more of those cordless shavers. It's good for when you're traveling. Boom. And last but not least, we got some Afro themed soul picks. Different sizes, different colors. We got long, short. That's pretty dope. Boom. That's all, folks. Appreciate you for tuning in.